What's up, y'all? Dominoes7 here. Just made it to Comic Con. We have, what's your name again?
Anna.
Anna and Jessica. All right. So y'all must be excited for Comic Con, huh?
Heck yeah. Yeah.
All right. So anyway, if Kristen was watching, well, I already told y'all. Well, I'm gonna tell y'all again. Kristen is sick, my friend. Yeah. Okay. So what y'all would like to say to her if she watching? Okay, and my friend Allie too.
You too. You too.
All right then. So y'all have a blessed day, yeah.
You too.
All right. So, oh, never mind. But anyway, let's go find Truth the Gamer, aka Randy TV. Okay. So Bobby should be on his way in a minute. Okay. So I gotta show my wristband to the people so you know, so nobody wouldn't walk in unexpectedly though. It was a long hallway. It's so long. How far can I go? How long is this hallway? I need to know. All right. So anyway, they forming a line, you know. They checking bags or whatever. All right. Let's see. All right, I'm about to show this guy the. All right. Hey, what's happening? I was here yesterday. Okay. Let's see. Oh, it didn't go off on me. They are metal detectors now. Okay. Let's go find Truth the Gamer, aka Randy TV. Where is Booger Bat at? Dirty dog. Where he at? You know? Oh, did I pass up the? Oh, it's right through here, I guess. I don't understand. I'm trying to look for the entrance. Where is it? Oh, what entrance? Is the entrance?
Main entrance is a little bit further that way.
Huh?
You're trying to get into the comics?
Yeah.
A little bit further that way.
Oh man, I forgot, and I'm doing my show. You don't want to be on the show, huh?
Oh, I'm good.
All right, I ain't gonna put you on. All right, let's. I forgot where the entrance at. Where is it? How far do I walk? Oh, I was.
You gotta buy it.
Oh, I was talking to my viewers. That's all. You don't want to be on. I ain't gonna put you on. All right.
I do.
Oh, hey, what's up? You on a Domino7 show?
Hey, what's up?
All right. Anything you want to say? So somebody you want to say hi to?
My mom's over there.
Huh?
Hi, Mom.
Okay.
Hi, Mom.
Just if she's watching.
If she's watching, if she's so happy.
All right. Type the Domino7 Show Comic Con 2018. Okay. All right. Y'all don't want to be on the show, huh? I ain't gonna put y'all on. All right. So here we go. Come on. Why have to be so far away? Okay. So Jurassic Park. I like it. Okay. So thank God I can. Oh, the Grinch. Oh no, the Grinch. The Grinch that stole Christmas. Just the exit. Let's go find Truth the Gamer. All right, wristband. Let me show the wristband. Okay. I almost seen a girl that looked like Kristen. So let's go find Truth the Gamer, aka Randy TV. Where that dirty dog at?
I'm asking you one quick favor. Please buy Katie Rogers' new CD. It's amazing.
Katie Rogers.
The Gamblers.
Well. All right, let's go find some people. Find Truth the Gamer, aka Randy TV.
Who likes chicken? Look who's here. Colonel Sanders.
Colonel Sanders? The popcorn man? Oh, is that? All right. Hey, how you doing? You want to be on the show? You want to be on the show? Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, let's Okay, let's go see what was happening over here. Well, anyway, I'll fine tune the game on the next segment, so I'll be right back after these messages, okay? All right.